Hello, good afternoon. I am Erica May from R&R Manila, Philippines. And now I'm going to demonstrate to you the case of Miss Kat Summer. So I'm going to assist her of getting out of the bed, and at the same time we'll be using the slide sheet for repetition. So, knock, knock, knock. Hello, good morning, Miss Kate. How are you today? Oh, you're good. Okay. Actually, you will have to get out of the bed today since your relatives is coming over here. And now we're going to take you to bath. Okay? Would that be fine? Oh, that's great. Okay. So first, we will have to position you first. Okay. Okay, so one.
Okay, count of three.
1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we will have to. Then we will have to keep going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. So now I will have to assist.
Stop okay.
Okay. So now 1, 2, 3.
Okay, tapos yan. Lapit ito. And raise the height of the bed.
So, Miss Kate, so we were going to, we will going to the toilet using this uniform. Would that be alright?
Okay.
So before we do that, what do you want me to, what do you want to wear for today? Do you want the red one shirt or the white one shirt?
What one?
The white one shirt. Okay, I'm just going to prepare that one first, okay?
Okay.
So for now, Mr. Archer will going to take care of you while I'm going to dress and accompany you to the toilet. Okay. And now we're going to transfer her from her bed to the wheelie wheel walker, going to the toilet. Okay. So now we'll have to. Okay. Put it down the here. So we will assist her. Do you need to use a belt? So now, okay. Alright. Alright. When I count 1 to 10, you will, and 1 to 3, you will stand up. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And chinelas. 1, 2, 3, stand up. Perfect. Very good. Okay. So now we will walk slowly. Slowly. Okay. Now I'm going to assist you to the toilet. Okay? Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. So now, as a support worker, we have to always prioritize her safety, confidentiality, and privacy by covering the sensitive parts of the body of the patient. Okay. So, can I remove the nappies?
Okay.
All right. So, is this enough? The water temperature?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, we'll start now. Alright. So we have to wash the client's hair, the dirtiest, the cleanest down to the dirtiest, okay? So we also have to clean. So would you like to clean your private part, or do you want me to help you?
I'll do it.
No, do it. Okay. Okay. You can do it. Okay. Alright, so down here. Okay. So, do you want to brush your teeth, or do you want me to assist you?
I'll do it.
Alright. Okay, perfect. Okay. So you can have the mouthwash too. Okay. So now we're done. Perfect. You're almost done, okay? So I'm going to put the nappies already, okay? Arsha, could you help me to assist her to stand up a little bit more?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Do you want to also take a seat? Okay, thank you. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to put the favorite shirt of Miss Kay to her. Okay. Okay, so that's your favorite shirt. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to the dining table for your breakfast. Okay. Okay. We will now walk slowly. Are you ready? All right. Okay, slowly. And you will have your medicine afterwards. Okay. Okay. So you can take a seat. And then wait for me while I'm preparing for your food and your medicine. Okay? Could you also take this one off? Hello, so we're now going to demonstrate how to feed our client and how we're going to give her her medicine. Okay? Hi, Miss Kay, good morning. So it's your breakfast now. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay. So would you want me to assist you, or can you help yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I can do it. Oh, I know that this is your favorite food.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, I'm glad you like it. You want some? Another?
Good.
You're good. Okay. So here's your medicine. Do you like to take this one now? Okay. Okay. Would you like to rest for now?
Yeah.
Okay. here. I'll just have to put this one aside.